1 minute. I'm just connecting with this. Yeah. So the first sessions we are discussing about theoretical insight and one or two small demo I done it. Now my focusing on the that different tools that helping for our assessment practice that I'm focusing much now. Right. So now I'm just focusing on types of AI powered assessment. Previously we were talking about the feature direction as well as the features. Now I'm focusing on this area, the different types of AI powered assessment and which are the way is possible to lead further. That I'm focusing of today's presentations, of this session presentations. And first one is called automated grading that we already discussed as part of the automations. But the thing is here, we may feel that sir is possible only for subjective or any objective or any only some specific pattern. But now there is a limitation. You know that there is a limitation as part of the AI because it's like an emerging area. The AI is an emerging area, so we cannot use all the aspects. Partially, we can start to use this. And in the case of automated grading, we have the options called AI automatically evaluate student response, reducing the teacher's workload. This is a way it's called as a teacher assistant. We may call it as a teacher assistant also, because it's going to assist for the teachers in the case of workload. And particularly is helping for objective assessment, multiple choice, true or false, fill in the blank. Even you can also chat GPT to generate questions, generate a lot of questions. And subjective assessment we can have even for 3 mark questions, 5 mark questions, even 10 mark questions. Suppose you want to know, sir, I want to have the question paper related to the Bloom's taxonomy or DVK model. Based on the DVK model and the Bloom's taxonomy, you are getting this different level of question paper. And we have the essay and short answer. Particularly when you go with the evaluator, students writing the assignment and submitting. I want to know the plagiarism. I want to know the grammar mistakes which done it. For this, we have the tools like Grammarly, QLBot, Turnitin, like plenty of tools are available. All related to the automated grading, we are using it. And one more thing, before going to deeply, please, MD kindly mute your end, MD. So kindly mute your end. Yeah. So I'm just showing a small scenario how the AI is going to change after 5 to 10 years, because there's an era of AI. And just focusing a small, it's not a memes, it may be fact, the factual informations, but now it may not be factual, but after 10 years, after 5 years, there may be chance to be factual information about the concept of AI. But now it may be jokes. Listen, the same facts, it may be after 10 years, maybe fact, but now it's a joke. One is, and just look onto this image. Hope you are getting this image. What the image focusing? There is a human person, the human yoga master, is training the machine for yoga, the AI system for yoga. So now take a deep breath. It's a great for your CPU cooling. Because sir, MD Aslam, please kindly mute your end. MD Aslam. Otherwise,
भारी बदन के कारण हुआ है
I request the host can mute them. Mute him, please. Yeah. Yeah. Host, NIEPA host, please kindly mute him.
कुर्सी बैठे बैठे क्लियर पाठ कर ले
Otherwise, kindly make me a self host. Listen, I'm adding to all of you. Thank you. Aslam. Okay. Yes, look onto this case. Now take a breath. It's a great for your CPU queuing, because you know that the machines I'm talking about robot is going to work with the control of the human being. So we have stress. The same stress might comes to the this kind of robot. There will be chances this kind of yoga practice may be needed, or some kind of a small exercise needed to leave the robot in the society. So I told no, it may be now is a joke, but in the future it may be a real. The other part, still now we have different ministers, like Minister of IT, Ministry of Education, like this. But there will be a separate minister is needed. That minister name is called wearable technology, because now knowingly or unknowingly people are using more technology, particularly wearable technology. You can see every people have this kind of smartwatch. It is one or two smartwatch. Even the beams are is using a earphone, is a very big earphone. Okay, so this are the wearable technology. We can move to, can carry to anywhere, to any places, right? This kind of wearable technology is going to occupy more in the case of our human life. So therefore, there will be separate ministries needed for the Ministry of Wearable Technology, and it is a painable truth also. Now you can see this. What do you understand from the image? Anyone kindly brief it? What is the understand from this image? There is a birds. They're flying. How they flying? Anyone?
Help of drone.
With the
People
help of,
will forget their own skills
yeah,
and
yeah,
use the machine only.
yeah. Thank you, Sima ma'am. So if you are over dependent on AI, if you over depend on AI, actually this drones are. I'm sorry, this birds are flying with the assist of the this kind of drones only. So I'm just putting this. What is an effortless flying? There's a discussion between the two birds like this. We just need to understand the control mechanism. So there is no need to be fly from our end. Let we know how to operate this drones only. So there may be chances the over technology might influence even the bird's life, because we already lot of things are influence over usage of technology gadgets and all. The similar kind of influence comes to the missiles also. And this another image. Do you know this image also created by AI? This jokes also created by AI. I'm just comparing and sharing to you, because now what is seeing today, it won't be that tomorrow. A lot of changes going to happen. That's the reason I'm just showing this. This AI-powered self-driving ambulance arrives at the scene a few minutes early by predicting the accidents. You can read, you can think that suppose there is going to be happening what is an accident. If the AI system predict is going to happen, the AI system maybe stop the accident also. So this is a way we can save the life of the human being. This is a way we can save this the people's life. How do you feel about this? If the AI, that's called predictive AI. Now the people talking about predictive AI. We always using the generative AI, but there's a predictive AI is going to create a lot of impact in the case of human life. That's I'm just focusing as part of here. And another aspects which I like to highlight here. I hope you are seeing this that image. I bought the real dog for my protection, because human being buying a real dog for their protections, but that human dogs refers to keep a robot dog for their own protections. So you know that issue with the street dogs and all. Okay, so a lot of issues are going. Therefore, there may be chances this kind of robot dog it's essential to protect the that what is that kind of real dogs. This kind of scenario. The final context which I like to focus here. I'm a veterinary doctor. That's because the robot dog is comes to, even you know that in the IPL there is a one dog. I mean there is a one robo is occupied every day in the screen. Even sometime we may not be see the Dhoni, but we are seeing that particular robo. Do you know the robo name? There is a dog robo. It is occupied the IPL match. It is occupied the IPL match. Any idea? So, like a lot of robo-based, I mean, dog-based robots are emerging now. Even some business sectors, even for factory, they started. No, just to Google it, you can find. Even I don't know that. So if you give the answer, I'm happy for this. There is a robo. It's occupy the entire IPL match. So I see this daily, but I don't know the names. If find, you can share it. I'm the veterinary doctor who brought this robo dog here. So I'm telling this after 10 years, there will be a separate what is this hospital clinic is needed for only for robo. For example, when you go with some big states or main metropolitan city, they use called car mechanic champak. Thank you Kamaljit Kar and Mohit, thank you so much. That name is called champak. So this is a wonderful insult for me. I never forget in the future champak. So there is a robot dog, it's occupied in the IPL match. The name is called champak. We brought this robot dog here. Kindly ensure whether that answer is correct. Okay. So I'm telling this after 10 years, the metropolitan city, like now we have that's called car clinic, because all the people having the car, therefore we need to go for checking the car. The name is called car clinic. Even the people are using the car hospitalized, car hospital. The similar way, every street or every city, there may be chance of this kind of robo clinic. It may be there in the future. I'm telling the future perspectives. So these are the changes going to happen as part of the AI. So hope you are getting this. The AI is how is going to create impact in the human life after a few years later. Any doubts now? Any doubt up to now? So I'm just giving this that future perspectives of the emerging AI in the day-to-day life. Now we already discussed what is called automatic data. I'm just going to focusing even the tool which already talking about Q report, and parallel I'm just highlighting how to create it. I'm showing this the Q report only. I'm not explaining the how to create a Q report on that, because some people may not know that how the Q report giving this the responses. I mean, because you know the how to generate a Q report content, but I'm focusing on the Q report responses like that analytics, learning analytics. I'm focusing now. So I'm just log in with my Q report account. This is the interface. These are the interface of Q report. And when you like to create an activity, you can go to the generated lessons and you can create, just give the title, or you can just paste the resources based on the emerging. Now I'm jumping to the my report. When you go to the my reports, I can find out the activity which I connected to my students. See, I connected this much of activity. Suppose I want to know the mastering A skill for education. When I click this, I can find out this how many participants. 54 participants. Out of 54 participants, we can count this number of participants have 100% engaged. 100% engaged. This is the main features which is available in this. Right. So none of the even we can get this similar kind of tool for this one. Nearport also, we are getting this kind of reports. And if you want to know the students, you can see the students, integer students. You can select the students one by one. A Saranya, Amar. Every student's report separately we can check. Suppose you want to know the activity base, the first activity, second activity, third activity. You can see this all the activities. And if you want to download, click the share and download the reports. The download reports is in Excel format. And the Excel format, you can find out this different question wise, different individual wise. So a lot of pages might be there in the case of Google Sheet. So in the case of Sheets, this way is helping for this. Hope there is no doubt in this. There is no doubt in the case of summary. The summary is given the participant did not participate. Everything is given this clarity. Okay. Right. So now I'm just moving to some tool which is going to help for creating the questions. Even the chat GPT Gemini is going to help us, but I'm using the tools called eduaid.com. Please kindly note that eduaid.ai, AI created for teachers. Anyone's already covered, please kindly inform me, because I cannot know that whether the tools are covered before this. If you already inform, I will skip this tool, please. If suppose when other tools I'm exploring are highlighting, kindly highlight whether the
Not,
tool.
sir, not
Right.
yet
Okay.
covered.
Fine. Okay. Just click this edua.ai. It is basically for teacher assistant. It is basically we are
Sir,
using
please
for
send the
teacher.
link.
I already
Please
shared.
send the link.
Madam, I already shared the link in the chat box, ma'am. Hope my chat box all are receiving in this content. Please, I already shared the chat box. Please kindly look onto this.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, received.
Okay. So yes, there is a tool, Eduate, as already mentioned this. This a tool is a wonderful tool for the teacher assistant. For teaching the teachers to assist them, it is helping us. The first time user, go to the get started, log in with your Gmail account. But I'm the having the account, that's the reason I'm just going to log in and just continue with the Google. So when I continue with the Google, I just continue with my email. So when I continue with the email, I will get this kind of interface, edua.ai. Now I'm just giving the 2 minutes time. I request all to sign up with this tool. Those who sign up, you can type yes, you in the chat box. If you done it successfully, sign up, you can type yes in the chat box. Yes, the letter yes, the letter U. Yeah, you can type the yes, you, sign up, over. So kindly sign up with your Google account, get started, go with the sign up. Yes, sign up. Yes, fine. Yes, fine. Sign up. Ruby done it, Rhythm done it. Yes, Bima. Yes, Tarunkar, Vishwadej. You can put yes, you sign up a single letter. Even I'm doing the assessment on it. Listen, instead of telling the participants to type fully, always you can use this mechanism that give that one letter answer or two letter answer. Give the options. If yes means you can type Y, no means you can type N. Like this, you can give always to promote the learners
Yes, sir.
in online meeting. online meeting, give the space to the learner to give the two letter answer at one letter and don't encourage the people to type full. It takes time. But if the open-ended questions, okay. But when you go with a small kind of whole section, you can go with this kind of options, right? Are you getting this? Yes. Suppose
Yes.
I want to know the device which you're using. Just to give the answer in the chat box. L for laptop, T for tab, D for desktop, M for mobile phone. Type a single letter answer. I want to know the number of people using laptop, number of people using. Now, see, I can suppose that people are using both laptop and mobile phone. You can type B in the chat box. B field both. Because this is are using laptop. Yeah. Uh, Bobby is using a desktop. Single letter answers give the meaningful assessment. Even I can know that level of people are connected. I mean, the participant which they connected. Rashmi using the laptop, Jyoti using the laptop, Satapti using a desktop. See how fast I'm getting. This is a small mechanism. Even if this is a mechanism for assessment. Even the online meeting, we can go with the question and answer session with a single letter response. Always can promote this kind of single letter response instead of that because some people are very lazy to type. And for them also is going to help them. Yes, fine. Now, hope all are reached this site. Those who are reached this particular level, you can type R in the chat box. The letter R means reached. Letter R means reached. Yeah, yeah. Yes, fine. Sure. Yes, yes, fine. Fine, fine, great. Now, thank you. Okay. Now we can see this. This is a tool basically for teacher assistant. We can do the wonder. Lot of feature is there, but I am focusing on only assessment. Is it okay? Focusing on because my context assessment. It may be helping by presenting. It may be help presenting in the sense even you can go with the demonstration. Particularly when you like to go with one activity in the class, you what kind of demonstration possible. Just ask the title, give this, and practice question. Then assignment. What kind of assignment do you want to ask? Go to the practice group activities. Suppose you want to go with some collaborative sections or cooperative section like zigzag method or any other method. You don't know how to lead it. You can use this kind of promptings. Actually, basically, the compared to ChatGPT, this tool why is beneficial. ChatGPT is called generalized tool. You can do anything, but this is only meant for the teacher assistant and all the things related to the education aspect. Therefore, you are getting the appropriate responses. And one more thing, there is no need for prompting. It's like a templates. The case of ChatGPT, if you want to go with the jigsaw method of teaching, you need to ask the jigsaw method and ask the title and all. But here, everything's a template. Just select the template and ask the title only. So therefore, no need for prompting here. So all the prompting is there. If you go to the question, discussion prompt, metacognitive questions, deep questions, multiple choice question, true or false question, taxonomy scaffolding, source questions, matching questions, filling the blanks, multi-select questions. If you go to the assessment, we have the other pattern, even the rubric, because most of people not know how to develop a rubrics. So based on the assignment title, is generating a rubrics also. Class poll. Suppose you want to contain small poll session, use it. Development of rubrics, exam, exit slip, future matrix, holistic rubric, journal log, oral exam, even the Q generation, text, self-assessment, all the features, even the feedback we have, administrative function is there. Like this, plenty of features are freely available in this platform. Hope you are getting this. The functions of this, we can access all kind of classroom based activities as well as assessment. We can able to go with this and just doing this small demo with some of the assessment as well as the question base. Suppose I want to have the taxonomy question. See this taxonomy that is particularly for aligned with the Bloom's taxonomy. Suppose I want to create a question paper the Bloom's taxonomy. Click this Bloom's taxonomy. When you click the Bloom's, please select the Bloom's taxonomy. After this, there's a topic, document, and website. What is the difference between topic? Topic means so you don't know resources, only topic you have, or you have
Sir, we
only the
got questions, but where is that Bloom's taxonomy?
better
Okay.
when you click the questions, you are getting this
Yeah.
option. There you can select text. Okay, scope folding. Okay. So in the
Okay.
topic, you can copy and paste the syllabus, or if you have the document, you can upload the document, or you have the website URL of the particular resource, copy and this. This is a way. But I'm going to the topic. So my intention to go with this title called this one. I like to create a concept. This one. What is this? Yeah. Theories of learning theories for psychology, learning theories. Or I'm going to the research because all the papers are common. I'm just going to the quantitative research. Go with the types of research, types of So science research,
Sir,
yes, ma'am.
the taxonomy scaffolding is not working for me, I think. The
Madam, just
feature.
start it. Wait. Once you start it, kindly look on the main screen. After this, kindly check. When you're typing this types of social science research, there is a topic. Down there is a topic. Just type the
Uh,
topic and go to the enhance means it automatically gives some kind of idea based on your prompting. Otherwise, directly go to the generate. But before that, kindly check this upper class. There is a class level. Just select this professional staff because we are going to the adolescents, adult learners. Just select this. After this, click the generate. When you click the generate, it takes time. You are getting a new interface. In the right side, you are getting the questions. Remembering, comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis, evaluation. And sometimes you have the doubts that what kind of key terms we are using for remembering, understand. But you can see what, list, explain, describe, how, if, analysis, compare, synthesis, propose, mixed method, create, evaluation, access, and critic. So all the key terms, you know that general objectives, instruction objectives, specific instruction objectives. So everything based the question may be some provide us. If possible, because I type as a research, that what is the title only. If you have the unit, you can paste the unit also. It may be provide wonderful things like this.
Sir, I
Suppose
think this is best tool for lesson planning, as it
even
will help.
yeah, it is lesson plan for IE model or any kind of model. It gives the idea, but don't promote to the learners. Just take us an idea based
Ji.
on the idea the students want to develop it.
Okay, sir.
Pretty ma'am, if you want to develop this one, MCQ, go back. So there is a question options. There is a metacognitive questions, true or false, source, matching question, fill in the blanks, word problem, everything, multiple choice, click the multiple choice. And you can ask the prompting, the types of social science researchers for MCQ with the Bloom's tag. I'm asking the Bloom's, okay, right? The same, I'm just generating, generate.
yes,
When you click a
yes,
generate,
I got, sir.
you got it, no? Fine. So
Thank you.
everything, just to ask the thing, you
Sir,
can
can you
select.
just repeat it once, please?
Sorry, ma'am, Usha, ma'am, your voice is breaking.
That Bloom's taxonomy, just I missed that part. Can you just show me that once? You went
Madam,
to
go to
Bloom's and the topic. Where
go
did
to
you
the
get that topic?
go to the questions. Go to the questions. Select this Bloom's taxonomy. Sorry, this one taxonomy. There, your down default topic might be there, man. Down there is a topic option.
Yeah, topic option, yes.
Just type the topic. You can type the topic which you want.
Because that screen is not allowing you to type it, to showing that hand. The typing option is not coming.
No,
Oh,
keep the
okay.
cursor and type. Keep the cursor and type.
All right, got it.
Then click generate. Click generate.
Yeah, got it, sir.
Okay. So you can select the multiple choice which you want. Then go for generate.
Sir, one more question, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, if actually I want to have these kind of question based on comprehension application, but in MCQ form, then what we have to select? Like,
Madam, you can have the MCQ, no? Click the MCQ and ask
okay,
this. So everything separate template.
okay. So in
Yes.
MCQ,
So,
it will not give like application or synthesis based questions.
No. You can see this because my MCQ, if you want to go with this, even you can have the chat GPT. Chat GPT is provided because there is a separate options. One thing you can do, even I'm just trying this option, taxonomy. I'm asked the prompting in a MCQ format. In a MCQ format, you can ask this like this. I'm just ask the MCQ. You can check whether it's working.
Sir,
Yeah.
can we specify
Yeah.
the number of MCQ we require?
Yeah. Madam, kindly see this MCQ.
Yes, sir. Received, sir. Yes, this is wonderful, sir.
Yeah, it's on. You can ask the prompting, exact prompting based on this, right?
Sure, sure, sir.
Madam, there is a limitation, but I'm using more than 1.5 years, but I didn't find any big. There is a limitation. If you give this upgrade, you are getting this free, unlimited. These are the free options are there. Okay, I'm showing this. Some limitation in the case of number of questions. You cannot go with the 100 question, 200 questions and all. There's a limitations. And the limitation, we can ask only 2000 character. You can see this, even the characteristics, we have 2000 characteristics only for typing the prompting and all. These are the limitations.
So,
Yeah.
so the limitation is for the day or like For topic.
They given for day wise. I'm just showing this. What is that? 1 minute. We can check with this setting itself. We can know this. The limitations.
So can we get these kind of questions in other languages also? If we will give the command to do it in Hindi, will it be
You can try this. Usually, you're getting this.
okay?
You can try and check whether it's working. So this, see how long I'm using this. Okay, I'm showing this the back. So which are the feature you want? Just select the feature and start to ask the prompting. We have plenty of software. I mean, plenty of tools and alternatives there. So I'm just going to the particularly in the case of metacognition, because sometimes we need to go with very deeper questions, the metacognitive aspect.
Sir, I have one
Just
question.
select this. Yes, please. Yes.
Hello.
Yes,
So the content generated in this can come under plagiarism.
is not a detected plagiarisms. This gives the idea only. Don't copy and paste this. You can do the paraphrasing and take the idea. So the main purpose of this kind of AI tools, it is only for assisting us. Don't. That is the reason I'm always giving this disclaimer that AI is a useful servant but dangerous master. Is a dangerous master. So if you are a copy and paste our creative question, instead of that, it gives the idea what kind of question may be possible for comprehension, what kind of question for application. You can take sum up to and send it by ourselves always. Right? Sometimes you don't much time that you can depend on us. And we are not sending for any kind of plagiarism checking for this. It's a question paper, right? So therefore, when you send an article to somewhere this based on question paper, then you can check about the plagiarism and all, right? If it only for a question paper purpose, you can modify some question or get some idea, and based on you can develop the questions. Sometimes we have the doubt about the key terms like action verbs in the case of question paper preparation. That we can get some idea from here. And particularly the deep question. These are my wonderful tool. This even you can charge, but you cannot get this. When you go to the deep question, you can ask the prompting like this. I'm just asking this like listen, learn. So the machine learning concept, I want to get some deep questions related to this area. Go. Suppose even you don't know, sir, I want to go with more about machine learning. I don't know what is the prompting is possible. If you go to the enhance, it automatically suggesting some kind of questions also. See here, students will be able to analyze the different machine learning algorithm. It's automatically provides some enhance based on my prompting, based on title. Then go to generative content. When you go to generate, Gayatri madam is working for all the content, not for only, you can see this level. When you go to the level, you can find it all the levels, okay? Upper classes, post-secondary, college level students, professional staff, upper, like all the levels, select the level of the students and then start to use it. Right now, you can see this, I got this response of the 3 deep questions. See, these are the, particularly for assignment question, no, you can give this kind of question, therefore there is no copy and paste. Normally what happened, we are asking that how we can use it for the machine learning, the teaching learning. Instead of that, go with this, how do different machine learning algorithm address the complexity of real world data, and what does the choice of algorithm impact the ethical implication of their fields, such as healthcare and criminal. See, the question structure also very deep questions. Suppose I want to go to scenario based, there is a real world problem based I want to generate. This particularly for good for designing questions based on the assignment for the assignment. So I'm starting this scenario and going to the generate. Now you can see this another set of questions related to the real life. Real life. Are you able to see the scenario? So it's providing the problem. There is a problem, there is instructions and responder requirement. So like this, we can go with this assessment in a different way instead of going the same way like a 5-mark question, 10-mark question. Even you give the scenario, based on scenario, you can find the answer from the responses. Now you can see the scenario and incident analysis, you find the machine learning algorithm, collaborative filtering, decision trees, or potential can like this. You can see the scenario and problems and we can find the solution for this. So I'm talking about the question answer. When you go to the assessment, we have the plenty. Go to the assessment. Particularly for analytic rubrics, one of my favorite feature. For example, we are the students are submitting the assignment. But kindly tell this real. I'm asking the genuine response from you people. How many of them evaluate the assignment based on the rubrics? Just type yes means Y in the single letter. So, okay. Or you can use the emoji. Okay, no means N. Even in the case of Google Classroom, we have the rubric. Even in the case of Genomia, everywhere we have the rubrics. We are not, to some extent, thank you. Most of the time we are not using, but my request, suggestion to them, yeah, learn community here. Kindly make it a rubrics base. Then only the students know that what level. Otherwise, we can easily compare. This person innovation is good. This person language aspect is good. This person texture aspect is good. Like that, we can able to highlight that competency when they present the particular assignment. And go to the analytics rubrics and just showing this how to helping for rubrics. Suppose I want to close it, you can close this also. So I go to the analytic rubrics. The topic I'm just providing. Suppose I want to highlight this one. Okay, create another. I'm just make this assignment. Okay, write in. Okay, critically analyze the role of A in education. This is my topic, right? So I want to go with this level of portion level of that assignment rubrics. Suppose you want to enhance, just go the enhance. It gives this enhance also. That gives some students will critically analyze. So this is a title also is emerged. Now my intention to create a generate. Click the generate. When you click the generate, so I may get a new assessment with a 4-point scale or 5-point scale. Are you able to see the criteria? There is a 4-point scale. The criterion is available now. So analysis of benefits, analysis of challenges, critical thinking, organization, clarity. Right? Even this is called rubrics. You can read this in the case of analysis benefit. How many people are succeed? Whether they have the excellent, they have the proficient, they are developing. Even it's give this what is called excellent, what is called proficient, what is called everything they provide, and they give this teacher notes also. Finally, the teachers what the comments they can provide. Ensure students understand the criterion and transparency. Give this exact. For example, out of 20 mark, most of the time we are giving the mark randomly, 18 mark, 17 mark. There is no justification for giving the mark. Is it correct? You are accepting or not? Most of the times we are okay. Most of the time we are not at all looking on. Just we are giving the random mark. Okay, we are fixing some band 15 to 18. This band, okay, if the student's handwriting good, the number of pages, the content subgetting, go with this 18. Other people 17. Very worst, we can give the 15. Is it correct? Kindly respond. Genuinely, it happened in most of the days because we don't know much. We don't have time to prepare a rubrics. But now we have wonderful rubrics. This rubric just you can continue with your Google Classroom or in the case of Genomia or the case of Moodle, and started to measure the performance with this. So how do you feel about the rubrics? How do you develop the rubrics? Yes, suppose I want to conduct one activity, but suddenly I want to conduct some poll session. I want to have some questions. Go here, and the questions like this: role of A in higher education. So I want to go some classroom poll for make the people to for formative assessment, and just going to the generate. Now you can see this. I may get some kind of class poll, the classroom, like the Mentimeter, Slido, WooClap, plenty of tools, the WebEx and all. Just you can use that responses and start it. You can see the multiple choice question, short answer question, think per activity. This is meant for the classroom polls. Therefore, as already mentioned, this one tool is more enough to solve the problems or the classroom problems. We can go with the feedback. You can go with the administrations, even the administration, even for email outline, classroom management, student update, action steps, report. Even suppose you want to report card comments, the school they are using it, smart goal outline, team building activities, syllabus starter, and particularly when you go with this practice lesson plan preparation, go to the preparations, worked example, demonstration, elaborate, word passage, summarize, vocabulary. This are the practices, group activities, planning. This is a planning, lesson set, lesson objectives, lesson 5 model, Cognize 9. This is another model, Cognize 9 steps, project based planner, spark lesson, unit plan. Even those who want to develop a UDL and just developing UDL plan. Are you ready now? Because this is a people not that much of our, and just started to go with the UDL plan for the topic for this one. Arithmetic operation. So I'm just planning for this one, UDL planner for arithmetic operation. Arithmetic operation for operation. Okay. So I'm just going to the level. The level might be a 4th standard, and just for example,
Sir, UDL, where it is there, sir?
it is in planning. Go to the planning.
Okay.
The planning.
Not questioning.
No, not questioning. Go to the planning. So lot of feature is that okay. So you can explore one by one. Go to the planning. The planning, we have the unit plan, lesson plan, everything is there. Okay. So I just click the arithmetic and go to generate. So Kamarjit Kar, are you able to locate this? Go to the planning and you are getting this, that even the UDL. I'm getting the learning goals, multiple means of engagement. See the different engagement activity, choice based learning materials, game based, multiple means of that is called multiple actually. For satisfying every people, they're not using a single mechanism. This is for the motivation interest. This is for the accessible instructions, multiple means of action expression, supportive staff hold, to assessment reflections, reaction of UDL. How do you feel about this? Even suggest the UDL, informed design learning. Suppose those who like to do the research UDL, kindly explore it, how it's providing UDL. Normally UDL most of them not supporting, but it's having UDL. And madam talking about this one, what is the affective domain? Madam, we have the option called social emotional learning. Social emotional learning, because you told you were scholar in sociology, you was
Yes.
go with the social emotional learning. You can go with this, whether the
Oh,
arithmetic operation
under planning, sir. Under planning,
under the planning. Even this
socio-emotional.
this is a new variable, how the social emotion can connect for the learning teaching.
Okay, okay. Can
And just
that be a area then?
yeah, if you can do this as a research area, this is a new area, no? Social emotional, even I find this a new SEL integrator, social emotional. So I'm just creating a content for the topic arithmetic. So everything intended speed. Yeah, now you can see this SEL. Madam, are you able to see the SEL, recommendation of integration? Key activities, they given the direct instruction, group work, hands-on activity, and relevant of SEL competency, self-awareness, social awareness, relationship skills. See how it's giving this categorization. So my intention to go with that, but it gives some idea how to lead further about the social skill, social emotional. And Monteacher lesson plan, cognitive, there's a cognitive being called as a concept attainment model, concept for this 5 model. Suppose he does know what may be learning objectives. Suppose you people may be developed for this outcome based. So he doesn't know how to make this the learning objective for that particular topic. Go with this, give the topic, copy and paste, and you are getting this things. But as I already mentioned, this kindly treated this tool as an assistant. Get some idea, because something's better than nothing. So I get some idea now. So how to go with this SL? So that is called social emotional learning. So now I'm taking this, I get some idea, then later I can develop myself. So this way we can strengthen our skills. Okay. So any doubts about SC this one? AGU8.ai, AGU8. Any doubt about AGU8? Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's a free software.
Yeah, there is a paid also there, but what I done the demonstration, everything free features. Both option is there. Okay.
So whatever we are generating, it is like saving in the history also, na? So later we can
Madam,
download it.
one more thing, if you want to download, we have the option. Are you able to see the download? This is the option I forget. We can download Google Docs. And one more thing, even you can customize. There is an edit option. Suppose, sir, I don't need, I want to customize, I want to copy and paste my resources. So that is called, Madam asked whether plagiarism comes. What you can do, the missions provide, you can customize your end and parallel edit option, and finally you can copy and paste your Word document. You got it? So all the features are available on the right side. Even we can chat, we can add the edit symbol, we can go to the export options. Everything's saved in the style.
So what about new card at the top corner, right corner?
So you can create new card. I'll just and close this, because no, it's every content comes one by one, right? If you go with this new card, it's providing this the title and also. Like instead of going the same content one by one, make it a new card. For example, one topic, second topic, third topic, you use new card, right? All right.
Sir, please talk about this feature again.
Sorry, ma'am.
Please talk about this feature again.
Which feature? Madam, once you generate a content, no? So the right side, you are getting this editing features. There is an option called edit. You can edit parallelly. Suppose I don't need, you can delete this portion it's created by A, and you can customize your N. You can add your points. And finally, you want to copy and paste your. The problem with ChatGPT, no? The ChatGPT provides the information. We cannot edit directly. Is it correct? We cannot edit. If you want to edit, you can copy and paste into the Word document. Then that will be a very big challenge. But here is generating parallel. I can edit. After editing is over, I can copy and paste into anywhere, or I can export also. Ankit, you raise the hands. Any doubts?
Sir, am I able to make a presentation also on it of the
Presentation,
content on the right hand?
the presentation is a PPT you're talking. PPT you're talking.
Yes, sir. Yes.
It's not developing a PPT, but give the PPT idea. What may be slide 1, what may be slide 2, what may be a slide 3. You have a lot of app is what the Gamma app is there. Anyone talking about napkin.a?
No, sir. Just give an idea of napkin.
No,
Actually,
sir.
Gamma is having limitation of 10 slides.
Sir,
I hope.
Yeah, napkin, but
Sir.
slides. Yes, ma'am. Please.
okay.
Yeah.
Sir, if I have to give instruction to create question in 5 or 6 different areas,
Hmm.
so here only I have to give all the areas,
No,
or
madam,
there
there
is
is a document option. You can type all the option one by one. Arithmetic operation, addition, subtract, everything can give with a comma. Or just copy and paste this topic. Are you able to see this? Even 5 areas. Suppose you have the document PDF file. You can upload the PDF document. Any doubts?
no, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, and just
Sir,
yeah, please.
sir, I have a question regarding the lesson plan format. Sir, can we rely 100% on the format as well as the content, or we have to check the things by our own self, sir?
You have to cross check because
How
AI
much?
doing a lot of mistakes. It once you generate the content as a teacher, we need to check. So we need to check because don't rely on the AI content. That we our role to be the ones. Whether it's appropriate for this particular content, then you can start using. Sometimes the AI doing the bias also. There is a bias in the AI. Okay, man.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Okay. Okay. Now, for example, sir asking that, sir, whether it's possible to create a PPT. So, can you do the demo with this? Go to the slide outline. Sir, can you give the title? Which area you want to the PPT, sir? Which area you want?
Manufacturing.
Sorry?
Manufacturing technology.
I'm not getting
Manufacturing. Manufacturing, sir. Manufacturing.
Manufacturing, right?
Yes.
This correct?
Yes, sir. MAN. Manufacturing. Manufacturing technology.
Manufacturing. Okay, manufacturing
Yes,
technology.
sir.
Okay, sorry. Right, manufacturing technology. So I'm just going to the generate outline. So now you can see, I'm just like to develop a PPT. So I'm just using this content. Are you able to see this? It gives some idea.
Yes.
It gives idea, right? Now what you can do,
Yes.
you can copy and paste into the napkin.a. So napkin.a is a totally free. I mean, it's a beta version, napkin.a. I'm sharing this link. It is wonderful infographics is providing. Because yeah, even when you ask the question, that's the reason I'm just doing this. There's a tools napkin. Go to the sign in. First user can go to get napkin free. Otherwise, go to the sign in. When you go to the first time sign in, it asks some kind of basic informations. What's your name, other things. So just give this detail. After this, you are getting this interface. Are you able to see the interface? Very simple user interface.
Yes.
Now, see here, the new napkin, there's a 3 option is there. Suppose, sir, I want to copy and paste these resources, and from this I want to generate, you can go with the outline. There is an import from file or blank napkin. Go to the blank napkin, you can paste this content, like you can paste this content. So you can paste this content which is created by AGY. Suppose I'm just copying this content. Just for example, I'm telling this. Just give the idea only. So I just copy and paste in the napkin. I can generate a PPT. That's one option. The second one, sir, I don't have a content. I have a PDF file. It's possible. Yes, you can import a file. Suppose, sir, I don't know nothing. I want to create same like ChatGPT. I'm immediately I want to convert. It's possible. Yes. Go to the draft with the A and just typing manufacturing technology. Manufacturing technology. Okay. So manufacturing, this is the area I want to prepare a slide. Go to the continue.
Sorry, sir. For this is for what, sir? This napkin.ai.
It is for converting a CA content into infographic, text into infographic,
Okay.
text
Thank you.
information in infographic, and finally you can combine into PPT.
Okay.
So when you click the continue, you are getting this the entire PPT too also. The entire things come as a content. Are you able to see this? The same. It is provided as a text now. It's provided the text. But my intention to convert this text information into PPT. Sir, are you able to follow me? Suppose I want to go to the historic evaluation. Just
Yes, sir.
select.
Yes, sir. Continue.
Only you can select this particular portion of this paragraph. I want to convert a single slide. Select the portion. You are getting this. There is an power symbol that's called generative visual. When you click the generative visual, you can see the wonder. This content read by the artificial intelligence. Based on the content reading, it gives this. See this infographic. It gives more than 20 infographics.
Wonderful, sir. Wonderful.
Right? Suppose my intention to download the first one, for example, it's like a path, right? So what you can do, just select this, and when select this, you are getting this interface. There is an option called export. When you click the export, you are getting the option called PPT. I'm not recommending the PNG, SVG, PDF. The problem, PNG, SVG, PDF, you cannot customize the templates. If you want to customize the template also, we can go to PPT. Just click download. You are getting the download of this particular content, and just click here. Now you can see this new slide. How do you feel about this new slide? Even I can customize every point. Suppose I want to maximize it, select all, and you can go with your group, and group, you can maximize it. You can maximize the content. Suppose you want to change the font style, you can change the font style. So I'm changing the 16. Even if you want to change, so everything's ready. Now I'm just going to presentation mode. You can see this, the presentation slide. You want to do the animation also, you can possible. Indra Kumar sir, are you Tamil Nadu? You're putting Talaiva, right?
Yes,
Right.
yes.
Okay, fine. Happy to hear. Okay, fine. So,
Sir, I have one question here.
yeah.
Sir, if I'm giving my own content and then I'm creating infographic out of it, and if I want to use it for publication or for some conference, so will it be right?
Yes, of course, right. It is not any plagiarism because ideas is yours. Only you are using the temp. For example, we are using the Canva tool. Ideas ours, we are just designing. Even the PowerPoint. Take the PowerPoint case. We are just sharing our idea into the points. Any kind of plagiarism because ideas yours, no problem. But only things after using this generated tool, kindly give the acknowledgement at the end of the any part. So this image generated by what is that napkin.ai. This like
Okay.
just give the acknowledgement. It's not a citation. Now I generated the first one. Suppose I'm going to the next one. Tea manufacturing process. Just select it and go to the next set of image. Select each paragraph. Click. You are getting another set of image for this paragraph. But one more thing, you need to identify the appropriate one. Suppose I feel that this may be more appropriate one. This image or lock. Which one is better for even the principal? Okay. You can see this. Now I'm just selecting this. After this, you can select this which one is better for you. Even you can change this. Yeah. Suppose I want to download this one. So what you can do, click export and download. So how to do the animation? Yeah, pretty man. Normally we are doing this PPT animation, the same mode. I'm just showing this. See, this in key. This in key. I designed it now. I'm just making a font little bigger. Better. Yeah, I'm just going to do it. I maximize it in the image and maximize the font style. Right now, it's everything's okay. Now, what I'm going to do, madam is asking the how to do the animation. You can see the step-by-step animation. Just showing this. So now, first I'm removing this one grouping ungroup. Now I can go with this one first point. Go to the animation. This is a normal animation effect which are doing this. So not that kind of you are talking about. I think another kind of animation. There's only this kind of animation effect can be able to make it. Yeah, I just made this. I'm just going to the last point also. So now we can see this is my presentation slide. This is slide. The first point, second point, third point, fourth point, fifth point. Even if you plan to design also, you cannot make it this kind of infographics. Infographic called information in a graphical form. Graphical way we are providing a info representations. Any doubts? Any doubts? So now the question may concern.
In the process of creating,
Uh,
not yet started. I have logged in
uh
and the options have come and now I have to try.
Yeah, you can try. So what you can do, select the paragraph which you like, just select it, and after there is a power symbol, just select the power symbol, and it takes time to be read first. Based on the reading, it converted the text information in graphical. Suppose I find this one is better, select the templates.
So text you have typed or some text you can select anywhere?
But all the option is there. You can go with the title base. There is an option called generate, no? The first one. Draft with a, you can give the title, maybe generating. Import, you already file, you can import it. If you want to type your own, you can go to blank template. All the three options are working if we do. So see here, I'm just selecting this one.
So how to download it?
Export.
Not able to download.
Madam, first you can select the image. Select the image. First select the image. Listen. First select the image. Please kindly look on to me first. First select it.
Yes, okay.
Click this. It gives a lot of images. You can go
Okay.
one by one. Please kindly look on to me.
Okay. Not all at a time.
No, not all at a time. Go with this
Okay.
one by one, which may be more appropriate. Select that. After selecting this, go to the right side, keep the template, the center, the export, and keep PPT. This is a limitation because it is helping for even download 100 images, not an issue. But we cannot compile all in a single. It cannot be download all in a single slide. What I'm going to do, you can download all slides. Which one you are asking to explain, Gayatri? Which one you are asking to explain? The entire thing. Okay, one thing
Sir?
I'll share the video. Yeah.
Animation.
Sir,
But in
I need to ask one thing.
Mhm.
Sir, we can paste the entire text in one go and then we can make it slide by slide?
Yeah, of course. Of course.
Sure.
There is a blank napkin. No,
Yes, sir.
just
It is there.
paste the resources, just copy and paste, and select this image. For example, I need only this paragraph content. Select only that portion and click.
If I will be having the PPT and if I want to turn it as like the graph you are showing, can I do that, sir?
When I go to the import file, it's supporting the PPT also. You can upload the old PPT and try, but there is a limitation in the free version. Kindly check, okay? Right?
Okay.
The free versions, this kind of things very fastly working, but the upload, there will be a limitation, the PPT, KB and all. So these are the issues. Kindly check.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Right. Now the questions may become, sir, it's downloading, you are downloading 3 or 4 PPT. Whether you're able to combine together, yeah, possible. Can I do the demo? For example, I have downloaded 4 PPT. Can I compose single? Just go to the first one. I want to add the next one, right? So there is an option in the PPT, go to the insert option. Please kindly follow me. Suppose you want to add all the slides in a single PPT, go to the insert, there is a new slide option. There is an option called reuse slide, the PowerPoint reuse slide, and go to the browse and locate the file. Suppose my files are download. So I'm just downloading this one, okay? This one, the second slide. Are you able to see second slide? Once again, I'm going to the fourth
Yes,
slide
sir.
like this, reuse slide. I'm going to the next slide. I'm use the next slide, reuse slide. Just so you can import it, we can get all the slides here. So now I added the 4 slides in a single PPT and just showing it. After that, you can change this portion wherever you want. You can change the portions and go for a presentation mode. You can show it. Right? The slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4. Any doubt?
Sir, I think here somewhere I lost. When I logged in, asked many questions. I started one by one. But the way, which is the main page to come?
Madam, you are getting this kind of main page. Kindly look onto this one minute. You are getting this kind of main page.
Text you generate. 1 second, sir. 1 second.
How many of them create this infographics? Those are done it. CI, put CI, create infographic in the chat box. Those are done it. CI, create infographic. Just type CI in the chat box. Those are done it. Yeah, Monica, fine.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
So for me also, the first interface which is coming, the first page for napkin, I can see the middle part which is asking for writing anything, but the upper one, the new napkin, this part is not coming.
But the first time user maybe comes like this. Don't worry about this
Okay.
because you are just login. Because sometime
Okay.
I'm already used regular login. That may be a login interface where you are now sign up only. There will be chances the first interface little changes. You are getting this option generate text using.
Yeah, I'm getting this.
Okay,
Yes,
you can
sir.
type it. You can type the topic which you like to prepare a PPT.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Do
I'm
the
doing that. Yeah.
suppose I want to go with the mission learning. Just type as a mission learning and go for enter. It gives us the text information first.
Yeah, this has come for me,
Yeah,
and
then
I have
after
made the
this,
infographics also.
then okay, fine. Then
Yes,
go to
sir. Yes, sir, I got. Thank you
okay,
so much.
okay, fine.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, so because Sir asking how to convert it with this reason, because in the case of Slido, sorry, this one, you know, this tool name is called Gamma app. Plenty of tool is the Slides Go, Dectobus Go, and showing this the tool which I'm using for PPT. The PPT itself, this much is there. Presentation A, Slide Pilots, Wondershare, Copilot, Dectobus, Magic Slides, Tome App Simplified, Slides Go. But according to me, the infographic preparation is good in the case of napkin.a compared to the Gamma app. That infographical features very good. Suppose, sir, whether it's possible to customize later. Yeah, instead of this topic, you can add the another topic also. Suppose
Sir,
you use the template and you can use the another content. Yes, yes.
so you have, I mean, downloaded all these different slides into PowerPoint presentation
Yeah,
thing.
yeah. I downloaded
Okay.
PowerPoint only.
Sir, I am not able to close that version and again start new one.
Madam, one thing. So first select this portion, right? And generate an image. Please kindly look on me first. Then after this, select the images which you want, download it. After downloading, scroll down up, go to the next paragraph, right? It's a
No,
scroll.
I want to close this and start new topic.
And if you want to go to the new napkin, go to the above new napkin.
It is not showing me, that page is not coming. Somewhere wrong page I think I have entered.
It will work, madam. Kindly check. Kindly do the refresh.
Sir, I
Actually,
have
it's
a question.
yeah, please.
Sir, this type of infographics is very useful in research paper
Of course.
also. So will it be a problem in creating plagiarism?
Madam, plagiarisms in the case of, for example, you are using the bibliometric, madam, bibliometric analysis. You know the bibliometric analysis. You are using the voice viewer software, right? You are using the voice.
Sir?
Madam, you are having the idea about voice viewer software, voice viewer software,
Yes, sir.
right? Now, whether plagiarism comes,
No, sir, because we are using our own input
data.
data over there.
The data you are importing and it gives us images, right? Whether corporate, the same way you can put your idea first. Don't use the AI idea. Put your idea and then convert your idea into graphical. Suppose even the graphical idea is not perfect, you can modify. Are you able to see that I can modify here? The template only you are using.
We can edit also and create our own.
Yeah, now you can see this PowerPoint here. See this PowerPoint, there is an option is there. Smart art. Suppose you are using this, can you give this? You are giving this image, whether it's a plagiarism.
No, sir.
What is called? We need to give this acknowledgement only because I used to design these images with the use of PowerPoint, with the use of Gamma app. Sorry, Gamma app should be questionable.
Napkin.
We are using the napkin.a because ideas claim that ideas or either plagiarism is meant for idea theft. So you are claiming the someone's ideas yours, that is a problem. So better as part of the research, kindly give the acknowledgement. For example, I'm using the software for SPS for doing data analysis. Even the data during this article writing, I can highlight that I use the SPSS software. Even we need to add the references. But if there is a reference also, we are using for SPSS. The same manner you can do this.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine.
Sir, I have one question. So the graphics generated by this tool Napkin AI, we can save create a PPT also and PDF as it is showing, like we can save it in a PPT and PDF and many options are given.
Yeah,
So
yeah. The problem with the PDF version, the image version, we cannot edit the content. For example, suppose the later I want to use this infographic, but in a different topic, I can customize it. Are you able to see that I can customize? But in the PP, in the case of Word PDF file, can you customize? Okay, that is the reason I suggest to go with the PP. PP, we have a lot of customization. Yeah.
Sir, can you please explain once again how have you compiled all these PPTs together, all these slides together in one PPT?
Yes, now you can see it. I downloaded. I'm just close this once again. Please kindly look at my screen, please, because I am doing the same thing 2 or 3 times. Please kindly look onto my screen. First, we need to go open the first slide. Right? This is my slide, first slide, source slide. I want to add the further PPT which I downloaded through the napkin.ai. Go to the insert option. Sadhana ma'am, please mute your end. Sadhana ma'am. Yeah, fine. So now you can see this and just select this. Go to the insert option. There is an option called new slide. Click this, small drop down options. There is an option called reuse slide. Select the reuse slide, and the downloaded is available download, and select the next slide, second slide, third slide, the slide which you want to add. Just select the another slide, open. I get the second slide. Similarly, go to the new slide, reuse slide, then another slide. Okay, then go reuse slide. I'm using another slide. Okay, now I compile all 4 in a single slide, single presentation, right? Yes, yeah. So fine, I'm just moving because my function is not a napkin, because you asked that thing that I'm deviated from this. Sorry for this. So my focusing on assessment only. So now we are discussing about automated grading. For this we are using, and now we understand how to generate questions with the use of AG8. With the use of AG8, any doubts?
Sir,
Yes,
actually,
just
I wanted to ask in napkin while these slides has been made by the text and it is showing the option for more. So while we clicking more, it is producing more slides. So it is the same content or same slides which is producing multiple time, or it is more. I mean, much more slides.
The same content is suggesting different templates.
Oh, same content with different templates. Okay.
For example, when you're talking about this 5 steps, the same 5 steps is given the different way. 5 teachers, they can highlight their 5 different way. No, the same way. These are the infographics. The same content will be projected in different ways. The same content.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine. But kindly read sometime that content which is produced by AI is not be relevant. So kindly cross check once. Otherwise, my suggestion, kindly download the templates. You can customize. The main thing, we don't have infographic templates. You can download the templates and later you can customize based on your idea. You got it. So now I want to customize.
Sir, I too have experienced this previously, that if suppose there are 4-5 feature, so additionally I'll see 1 or 2 more feature sometime.
So
With
see,
napkin.
yeah, you can see whether I am presenting any paragraph. You can see the slide. Any paragraph is there? Any paragraph I'm using?
No, sir, all visuals.
Therefore, kindly avoid to use the paragraph, because we are preparing powerful points. That's called PowerPoints. PowerPoints having only the points only, not in a paragraph, not in a essay. Therefore, always you can present the slides in a infographic form, graphical representations. So the same, even I can explain the same content for 1 hour is possible. There's a 5 point, we can elaborate this. The problem when you keep the content as a essay paragraph, essay, we may more what is the content with this, just we are reading it. So kindly avoid to reading. This happened to some teachers, not always, all the people. Few of them, they're using as a master, they're just reading it. Kindly avoid the reading the content. Instead of that, we need to explain the content with this kind of infographics. Therefore, always convert infographics. This infographics give the space to explain, right? And don't think that these are the infographic I created with the use of napkin.a. I'm not using this napkin.a because I have a lot of infographic which already compiled for my purpose, because I'm using more than 5 years to compile a different infographic. I'm just showing this. I have a lot of infographic collection. The same way, I'm requesting you people also, you can collect the infographic collections. It's always helping you. I'm just showing this, the infographic collection which I have now. So you can see that there is infographic collections. I have more than 6 sets of infographic, but every infographic have more than 100, 200 pages. Now you can see this infographic has 64 pages. These are the different sources I downloaded. So I'm just showing this. So just I'm use the infographic, I can customize it. This was 64 slide. If I go to the another infographics, fifth, it having 200 slides. Are you able to see the 200 slides? These are the infographic. Just you can come. This is our duty to collect this graphic representation and kindly select the appropriate infographic and suit in our content. That is creativity. So we need to connect for this topic, which may be infographic perfect. For example, this are the infographic is meant for the research progress. So when you're talking about the progress of the department, even the NAC workshop, in the case of NAC PPT, I'm preparing everything's infographics. So because everything we need to highlight the points like how the department grown up. Even this was the research phases, first phase, second phase. These are for the roadmap. So based on the infographic, we need to start and start to write it. So therefore, I request all the teachers kindly pause wherever you find these good resources, kindly compile it.
Sir,
some other day is helping you. Yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah.
So now, is Keynote is giving this much freedom, or because of PowerPoint you are able to use all these?
Yeah, I'm using the PowerPoint. Even I'm using the Apple version only, but I'm not comfortable with the Keynote because I'm the person more comfortable with Microsoft's. Right?
It's
even
not
though
giving any freedom like this, like what you are doing. Keynote is.
Yeah, there is a limitation. Okay, Microsoft have a lot of features.
Okay, sir. So this infographics collection, where do you do, sir? Any site is there?
Yeah, I'm telling this. I'm using the Canva. Okay. The Canva, suppose the advantage, only 1 month you can go for a payment. I'm telling this. Then you can download all the infographic which is available in Canva and compile in a single. Even you can go 1,000 also, it's possible to download. Only the month you paid. After this, no need for payment. You can use this infographics. Okay. So the same mechanism, because I'm connecting for different Canva and 3 or 4 tools I'm using it. There I'm just compiling. The compilation is very important. You can see this fourth one. So I have 76 infographics. So therefore, PowerPoint, normally we are using more in the case of teaching. Therefore, I request all the teachers kindly think in the good perspective that collection is very important to prepare slides. And selecting this appropriate template and connecting with our content is another important thing. I'm telling you frankly, this slide morning when I prepared, because normally I'm talking about AI tools in education, AI tools in research. This is the first time I got the opportunity for AI tool, especially for assessment. So that is the reason what I done. I just morning I find this kind of infographic. I just imported the content directly. So based on the content, I designed this, right? Only the infographic I already having. The content only I just copy and paste, I just modified, and finally I can get this kind of infographic representation. Always make it as an infographic. It maximum 1 hour is enough to compile this if you have the infographic within you. Right, and the same thing. Now the napkin.a is free. So my suggestion is that, because I don't know when they go for a payment, if possible, if you want to collect what you can, my recommendation, even click here. You can same content providing 10 or 15 infographic. Don't provide. You can download all 12. Use as an infographic, and you
Sir,
can.
I have one question. So suppose an infographic is generated by napkin.ai and the Canva that you were saying. So if we have to use this in our research paper, then we have to provide the reference. Then we can use, na sir?
Yeah, of course, we can use this in acknowledgement.
Okay, sir.
Always that is ethics, no? Yeah. So now, what is the things you can download all the infographic wherever necessity, the content you can modify and you can present it. For example, this infographic is very unique. You cannot find this, but if you want, I can download it now. Later, where is possible the particular content, I can use this just to change the content is enough. So therefore, we need to think in the future. Always, we are just crossing the resources. Instead of this crossing the resources, always we need to compile the resources. That is very important. We always that particular time go and search in the Google or the ChatGPT finding, but we are not compile the resources. That is very problem we are doing it. The teacher, we need to compile parallelly while finding good resources. Now I'm just talking about the adaptive testing. We are already discussing about the adaptive testing. And one more thing. So due to your things, I just moving to because I have a lot of tools to discuss about the assessment. I'm just giving this some alternative tools for the EDUI. There is called class. What is that? Magicschool.ai. Magicschool.ai. The same like the previous one. Magicschool.ai. Same like a previous one. I'm sharing the link. The EDUI. Previously we discussing about. This one, what is that? AGA, the same alternative, which is more comfortable, because now the problem with us, we have plenty of tools for the same features, but according to me, you can explore which tools more feasible for you, which tools more comfortable for you, kind of use it. I'm not the person to promote any tools. Listen, I'm the person highlighting the tool which is good for our teaching learning, and based on your comfortability, based on your usability, kindly start to use anyone. There is no need to use one. Right now, this is a tool for Magicschool. The same like you can log in and generate the same like exact AGA only. And some other alternative also I'm just focusing. You can explore later. It's like a homework, you can take it. So there is another set of tool for it as a teacher assistant, that is called Alaina. This is called Alaina.us. Alaina. This is an Alaina. The teachers. These are other tools for Alaina.us. And Defeat for teachers. This is another tool for Defeat for teachers. Defeat for teachers. These are tools. It's partially acted as a teacher assistant, but parallelly it's helping for assessment. I'm talking about, even though it's an assistant, but it's main focusing on the how it's going to helping for the teacher's assessment purpose. Right. So this is the things we discussed. These are the alternative tool. And one of my favorite tool which I'm discussing now, that is called Conmigo. Please kindly know that Conmigo. This is one of my favorite tool. Anyone discussing about the tool Conmigo? Anyone? Please. No. Okay. Yes, I'm demonstrating this one because this tool very much close connected with me. Why? In the sense, it has some kind of gamified elements. It's already connected with one game tool. Anyone hear the terms? This one, Blue Cat. Blue Cat is a wonderful gamified tool. Gamified tool. Okay, no problem. No problem. Blue Cat is one of the very prominent. Previously, we are using the Kahoot or any this one. No, Quizzes right. That is an outdated according to me, because even in the case of Kahoot or any this one, Quizzes, there is no much of the gamified element. It's good for assessment, but game elements very less in the case of Blue and this kind of Kahoot or other tool. But Blue Cat having lot of game elements. Now we are going to experience how that Conmigo is going to conduct the Blue Cat, and how I'm going to organize this activity in the classroom. So first I'm doing the demonstration. Later,
Sir,
yes.
booklet is different than the previous Kahoot.
Yeah, but these tools both are connected. Blue Cat, I'm showing this Blue Cat website. Blue Cat.
So can you please share the link in the chat box?
This is a Blue Cat tool. This is for the classroom engagement tool. This is my classroom engagement tool. Is freely available, particularly for education games possible. But the advantage of this Conmigo, it is directly connected with Blue Cat. We can create a question through the Conmigo, but we can import into Blue Cat and we can organize the activity through the Blue Cat. You got it? There is a linkage. I'm using the Conmigo tool. Through the Conmigo, I'm generating question. That generation is going to import into the Blue Cat tool. Through the Blue Cat, I'm conducting the assessment. The tool I'm just going to connect. And do you know one more facts about the Conmigo? This tool is developed by whom? Any idea? Who developed?
Salcon.
Sorry?
Salcon.
No. No, I'm competing.
Khan Academy.
Khan Academy. You know the Khan Academy. Lot of videos we are using for teaching and learning. So this developed by the Khan Academy. So yes. Now I request all to don't click the get Conmigo. When you click the get Conmigo, it's showing this your country is not accessible. Like this, you are getting this option. Okay. So instead of that, I request all to go down. There is called sign up for free. You can sign up for free. Use the sign up for free and continue with the Google. Just continue with the Google. So kindly select the teacher as a role, and after this sign in with the Google. So I'm just continuing here. I'm just moving to the Conmigo interface. So yes, it looks already have the okay. Start using Conmigo. Okay. So I request all to create an account Conmigo. The first time user, it takes some steps, and finally you are reaching the sites. Kindly escape the steps and all. And come to the stage. Conmigo. Those are sign up successfully can type SCU in the chat box. Sign up successfully can type SCU in the chat box. Yes, you.
Sir, can we, that cookies, can we accept for all?
Yeah, you can accept.
I'm just.
Yeah, that's not it. Then only that some other functions will be working. So because the Khan Academy is not be a harmful tool, you know that Khan Academy developed a lot of good resources for the teaching community. So therefore, always rely on some tools, okay, that companies are developing. Right. So hope you are reaching this site, this interface. Yes. Meanwhile, I request all to create a blue cut also because you need to. I have the account. I need to connect. For you people, the connection very you cannot use because you need account in blue cut also. So I request all to create an account blue cut also. So go to the blue cut and go to the sign up. The sign up with the Google account. Once again, the same Google account. Select the teacher and give this date of birth and all the things. If you give this, it's going to lead the home page. So I request all to connect with this also through the blue cat. Sudhin is able to complete.
Sir.
Which certificate? Yeah. No, only one certificate. Only one certificate. Sorry. The key is there. Then you can give to with the SAR. You can give to him. Go to the he is there. Otherwise, give to me. I will give to the afternoon. I will give to you. No problem. Okay. Give to me. I will take it. Okay. Yeah. I can give to you. Next is SAR is there. Okay, fine. The session is not over. Still is going on. Okay, fine. That's it. That's fine. Okay, fine. Sorry. Okay. So sorry. There is a call. Okay. Yeah. Please kindly create an account with the blue cut.
Yes, sir. That Khan, that one. I got stuck in the knock prep of your teacher, learner, parent. It has come. When I'm clicking teacher, nothing is coming.
Anyone give this brief? Hello.
Hello, sir.
Huh. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am. What is the doubt?
When I clicked, I logged in, but teacher, parent, learner. When I click teacher, nothing is coming.
Madam, can you share the screen? Then only I can able to know the issues. Okay.
Screen that I am not able to share because this mail ID is different.
That issues. Anyone can help us because I already log in and all. So after this, what we can do? Anyone tell me the brief?
Sir, sometimes it comes also bad server in this booklet.
Oh, booklet. Okay. Madam, it may be working, madam. Just select and give this, click this, continue with the Google and check. It may be working. Kindly check.
That Google continuation is not highlighting. Teacher, learner, parent option is coming, but the Google.
It may be working. Please, if you
I
share,
mean,
I will help you. Okay. Please, anyone?
after the teacher, it is asking the date of birth and all, ma'am. You can, if that
Yeah,
page is
give the data birth. Yeah, give the data birth, ma'am.
No, for me, nothing has come.
refresh the page one more time, ma'am. One more time you try to do the.
Okay.
So one thing, so because we are about to conclude, I request all the participants, you can try later. I'm just doing the demonstration, how it's helping. Later you can, because after the break, you can do this, okay? Yeah, yes. Now I'm just showing this. This tools meant for the same like Eduate or same like this other tools which you discussed. But here also we have a lot of option is that chunk test, class newsletter, discussion prompt, fun class summary. Even you can create a poem for classroom. Um, then letter of recommendation, multiple choice cues, question generator, recommendation assignment, report card. Lot of functions are freely available. But I'm focusing only one point, that's called blue cat generator. This is my favorite feature. So I'm just connecting this activity into blue cat and showing this. Suppose I want to connect here one activity to my students to entertain by them. I can just create an own activity. This is for the college level. So can I go with this AI powered assessment and just create this topic? I want to prepare AQs, AI powered assessment. So I'm just creating a topic. After just click the start. Please kindly look onto my screen. Now the AI provide a lot of questions. It may be 10 questions or 15 questions maybe provide. So as a user, I'm going to cross check whether the question maybe add for this particular session. Suppose the first question, how do AI powered assessment system typically evaluate students? Suppose I find this good, just select this. This for the symbol for selection. Second question selection, third question also selected, fourth question selected, fifth question selected, sixth question selected, seventh question selected, eighth question selected. Suppose you don't like it, you can reduce it. Okay. So I'm just selecting all the questions. So it is created by AI. Suppose I don't need this one, this okay, this is okay, this is okay, not okay, this is an okay, this is a not okay, this is okay, this okay. I just selecting the questions randomly. I have 17 questions now, 18, 20 questions. I now 20 questions. Now I want to conduct this activity in the classroom as part through the blue cat. You are getting the option called export. What I done it, Khan Migo is developing a questions, set of questions of blue cat based. I'm just exporting the blue cat. When you click the export to blue cat, because I'm already logged in, it automatically this particular Khan Migo directly go to the blue cat. You can see this is a blue cat. And after this, I'm just going to save a set. When I save a set, the questions are visible. Now I'm just going to connect a small activity. Are you ready now? Please, I request after this we can wind up. Host game. When I click the host game, there is a code maybe comes like a same like a QZs, same like a Kahoot. So, but
So we have to log in first. Can you please give some time?
Madam, that is why no issue. You can try later because if you give the time, my time is 1 o'clock. I have the other session also. You
Ma'am,
can
I'll
try
help,
later.
ma'am. I'll call you, ma'am.
Yeah, sir, maybe Indra sir may be helping you. Don't worry. Okay.
Yes.
Because we have only 5 more minutes. That's the reason. Okay. So I'm going to
Yes.
Battle Royale and click host. This activity can participate. You can use your mobile phone to join. There is no need for login for the participants. Only the teachers need a login. For the students, no need to log in. Now I request all the participants. Maybe feel is a wonderful activity with this. I request all to click this, go to the play.brookcard.com or I just copy the link and sharing the link in the chat box. Just to click the link, that's enough. You are continuing with this activity. It's a wonderful activity. I request all to click the link which I share in the chat box. And when you click the link, it asking to play with your name. Just log in. When you click it, ask the name. Just type the name and they are asking to select the avatar. Select the avatar. Please, I request. Yes, now you can see the Indra join. YS join. I shared 2 or 3. Please join fastly. So 6 more minutes and we can wind up this. So it takes, yeah. I request at least 15, 20 members join, then only can understand. See, the questions are imported. Now I'm going to connect with this activity. The activities look like a IPL match and just briefing it. Every users, every players here, 17 players, every players you are getting the 3 points basically. You are going to play with the 3 points. Every round you are getting one opponent. There's a random opponent for this round. you are going to play with them. For example, that Kiran with Nanda. Suppose the Nanda madam's performed the first questions she attended correctly and speedily, the 3 points he may be sustained, but the Kiran maybe lost the points 3-2. Then second round, similarly, there is another opponent. You are going to play with the other opponent. So some Kiran second round also lost, the 2 points reduced to 1. Third round also Kiran lost, the 1 point is reduced 0. Then after that we cannot participate in the next round. So finally we came to know that who is having more score. This is the way this game is designed. It's a very simple game, and I'm going to start this event. Please kindly give the responses. The question maybe comes there. You can give the responses fastly. Yeah, this is a pair. In your mobile phone, in your laptop, you are getting the opponent for you. Who is the opponent? So the question may be visible. What method do AI powered assessment use to identify the pattern of student performance? Any idea? What is that pattern we are finding the student performance? What it called? What is called?
That SCM.
No.
Oh, no. The monitoring and support.
Yeah. So here the questions
Evaluating.
we have 4 options: data analytics, random sample.
Okay. This is data analytics.
Data analysis, of course. So now just give this. So the next, now we can see this. Who is the winner of this round? The answer is data analytics. Good, all the attempted correctly. And just going to the winner of this round. You are going to see the winner of this round in the white color screen, the white color background. The white color peoples are winner. They sustained the 3 points. Now we are getting the second round. Now we are getting the second round. You have the new opponent. So you have the new opponent. So you have the new opponent. Yeah, these are questions. What features of AI-powered assessment reduce the workload of our educator? Whether automated grading, peer assessment, self-assessment, teacher-led grading, which may be helping to reduce the workload. Any answer?
Self-assessment.
No. Kindly, what feature AI-powered workload?
Automated grading.
Automated grading. Yes.
Correct. Automated. It's automated. The answer is automated grading. Yes, fine. So now we can see this. The second round, who are the winner? So still 23 players are remain. So now that KK, Kamal, YSD, Neha, Kiran, Rashi, they are the winner. Indra, Kamala are winner. So we can know that who is the winner of this round. So next round, we have the new opponent for the next round. So once you reach the 0, you cannot reach the next round. Okay. Now the next question: what aspect is crucial for making the AI-powered assessment user-friendly? Whether hardware upgrades, network expansion, data compression, user experience design. What may be a perfect answer? What aspect is crucial for making AI-powered
User
assessment?
experience.
Of course, user experience design.
User experience design.
We see this because talking about that learner. Yeah, of course, your answer is perfect. So you are able to judging the results. Great. And these questions are created by AI. It's not me, right? I'm just importing and yeah. Now see the 23 players reduced to 16 now because the fourth round only 16 players are leading because others are getting a 0 score. So now the competition between the 16 players. Now next question, next round for the new opponents. This is a way gamified is possible through this. What process of AI-powered assessment undergo the enhance the accuracy? It's talking about accuracy. So what may be a correct answer? Tell me the answer. So yeah.
Continuous improvement.
Yeah, static evaluation, one-time analysis, fixed feedback, continuous improvement. What may be answer?
So continuous improvement.
Continuous improvement.
Continuous improvement.
Yeah, correct. Its answer is continuous improvement. The results. Now only 14 plays on the screen. I can take 2, 3, or 4 minutes because this round is over. I can conclude. The next round with the new opponents. The round number 5. What technology helps AI-powered assessment track student progress? We are already discussing about this. Learner student progress. The answer is learning analytics, virtual reality, blockchain technology, quantum computing.
Learning analytics.
Of course, the answer is learning analytics. It's learning analytics. The answer is learning analytics. Yes, now the round 5 is over. Still, we have the players. How many players in the remaining? Only 11 players on the screen. So please play well. Only 11 players on the screen. The next round. The next new opponent for you. New opponent. The next question. Why are AI powered assessment beneficial for students? Why it's needed? To replace the teacher, to reduce the study time, to eliminate exam, to provide immediate feedback.
To provide immediate feedback.
Of course, that's the correct answer. So we need to identify the appropriate answer, most appropriate. So this round, the round number 6, you can see every round some people's maybe now only 7 players on the screen. So congratulations to 7 players. You are going to the round number 7 now. So kindly go with the round number 7. So we have 7 players: YS, Kamal, Neha, B, One Step, Indra. These are people are participating. Yeah, what strategies can AI powered assessment use to increase the student engagement? It's talking about engagement, traditional lectures,
Gamification.
It is basically an affective domain. It's a gamifications. The answer is gamification. So now I'm just moving to the results of the round number 7. Round number 7. This round, 6 players still remaining. 6 players remaining. So now all are 1-1 mark only. There will be chance this may be last round. All the best to all.
28 ग्राम हाई प्रोटीन पनीर रोल एक बोल में ऐड करो पनीर 2 टेबलस्पून कर्ड
Sir,
नमक
complete.
लाल मिर्च जीरा पाउडर
How do AI powered assessment system typically evaluate the student performance? He's talking about AI powered assessments typically evaluate student performance by grading papers manually, by conducting interviews, by analyzing student responses, by observing the classroom behavior.
By observing classroom behavior.
Responses.
Typically evaluate student. Typically, which may be observing classroom behavior is not that much easy now.
Oh.
Analyzing student responses.
That may be analyzing student response because now there will be a limitation in this. Yes, now the 6 players goes to. Yes, we have only 3 players. So kindly appreciate the Indra, Kamal, and B. So I don't know who is the winner of the last round. This may be last round, it seems. Round number 9. Round number 9. Round number 9. What is crucial to ensure the responsible use of AI in assessment? Marketing strategy, financial incentives, ethical guidance, technical manuals.
Ethical guidance.
Ethical guidelines.
Ethical. Correct, you are correct. Ethical. So the answer is ethical. And now, who is the winner? Any predictions? I think Kamal and B have 2 points. There will be one more round, might be there. So one more round because still that B is having 2 points. So there will be a chance we can go with the next round. It may be last question, we can see. The last question for this session: what features allow AI powered assessment to integrate with other education tools? Monopoly, exclusivity, interoperability, isolation. These are things we are not discussing. These are new questions we collected.
Interoperability.
Yeah, there may be a chance that may be a correct answer.
Interoperability.
Yeah, you are correct. Your prediction is correct. The answer is correct. So now the winner goes to the winner. Yes, I think one more round is there. One more round with Indra and B. Both are 1-1 points now. So the match results, the last round for Indra with B. I don't know who is the B. The last round, last question with the 2 people. What is the key advantage of AI-powered assessment over traditional method? It is a subjectivity, scalability, inflexibility, high cost.
Scalability.
It's a scalability. Correct. So any prediction who may be winner? Any idea who is the winner? Indra or B? Indra or B? The results goes to B. Okay. Indra putting B. Okay, fine. Yeah, the winner is B only. So congratulations to B. Who is the B? That B. Who is the B?
Hi, sir. This side Bhavya Agarwal. I am B.
So this is your results. Kamal is 3rd positions. Indra is 2nd positions.
I skipped one question in between, sir. I did not even attend.
These are your positions. If you want to know that, you can see your positions. Okay. Now, this is called gamification, gamified and simulation. This is also one part of the assessment techniques. So hope you are getting some insight about how to do the AI-based assessment.
Sir, can you please this gamification, which this thing, booklet.com?
Bluecut.com, not booklet.
Okay. Bluecat. bluekit.com.
Yeah, the final conclude remarks because we already reached 1:05. Technology is a
Sir,
useful servant. Yes, yes.
if possible, can you show that process again? That how you generated the question and transferred over here?
Madam, it's very simple. First, you can go to the Conmigo. Okay, this Conmigo, you can go with this.
From there to here we have to come, sir.
Madam, you have
From
to
that browser to this browser.
no, directly it may be shift. No need to be shift to variant. Madam, you can see this just to create a question from the blue cat. Automatically it's asking to export. Right? When you export, automatically your blue cat may be open like this. You are getting this blue cat open. So there is no need to be what is that connected open 3 or 4 screen.
So start with Cunningo, then
It
do in
automatically
the
converting into the blue cat. It automatically directly. But we have the account. When you're going to connect to the export, it asks the Gmail ID. That just connect the blue cat automatically go there. It's like it's shifting to one to one. Right. So with this, I'm stopping my presentation because I have other meeting in the afternoon. Sorry for this. Technology is a useful servant, but dangerous master. It's a dangerous master. So please, I request all the people, which are the tools we're discussing, kindly treat it as an assistant only. Don't treat it as a master. Don't rely on much. Kindly read once, and if it up for you, then you can start to use partially, not fully. And now AI might know the data, but the educator know the heart because even the madams is very much connected with the affection domain. Uh, don't rely on much on the data because AI without data, our question is the main source of the AI. Therefore, AI might know the data, but the educator know the heart. Similarly, AI can provide the answer, but teachers spark the question. Without asking the question, ChatGPT never give the answer. Therefore, the prompting is very important elements. Therefore, we need more our students to be how to ask the question. So we can train the children to how to ask the question. That is very important. And with the A's and our fingertip, but the teacher roles to guide the hand. One quote is my favorite quote. In the dance of because everywhere we are using the digital things and all, but one thing the my teacher can lead, A can follows. Don't give the space to the A can lead us. If A can lead us, our living is questionable. Therefore, the teacher, the human teachers can lead the system of education and A can follows us. If you put us ulta, our sustainability, our living, our food is a questionable. So because in this, with this, I'm going to conclude my presentations. So A is a double-edged sword. It can be powerful for a good people. It can be used, is a misuse by the bad people. Therefore, be cautious while using it. So with this, I'm stopping presentations. A is a tool, not a solution. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Wonderful.
Thank you so much, sir.
Lots of
Very
wonderful
very
session.
thought-provoking session.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes, thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, if you want any questions, one questions, okay, okay. Because if you want to go for lunch, you can go. No issue. I'm also go. Are you ready to go to lunch? It's another issues. Yeah. Yeah, there is no questions. Can you?
So can you give us other tools to explore also?
Sorry, ma'am.
Some other tools to explore, like booklet and other the tools which you use in your education.
Yeah, on minute. Huh? So I'm sharing my website there. I'm already compiled all the digital tools for research, sorry, digital for assessment. I'm just sharing this link. You can access from there. I'm sharing the exact link to you. Yes. So please, the link which I'm sharing now, if you click it, it may be directing to your place. I mean, that particular site. There you can explore it. Bishmal, you have any doubts?
Yes, sir. Sir, I like to ask that since the napkin AI and everything, the AI tools that you use for AI generation, sir, basically, if the data is a primary data which we put inside in AI generators for generating AI or data analysis on anything, sir, at the time of when we check plagiarism of Turnitin and everything, sir, there is AI detection tool. In some of the places I have found that AI stores our data of our primary data. So, it would be better to put our raw data as or primary data in those napkin AI to generate images and everything. Will it be okay? Is it safe? That's what I am.
Yeah, I got it. Even the Ternity know that when they uploading the data, it's asking the whether it will be saved in the cloud. We are disabling and we are uploading. The same thing, because these are the tools, no napkin.ai, any kind of tools. Our data may be information for them. Our data, they have a lot of information they're using later. So therefore, kindly use safely always, my request. Instead of uploading a data, just type a key terms only in the case of napkin also, and convert as a key term based images. Sometime you are preparing for a research based, if you're uploading, sometime we cannot predict it, because even the Google search results, no, it is a good thing for the scientists. They can find that which are the search the results not come there, they will search something, they find something, they discover something, they give for the pattern. So therefore, even some other way, our prompting, our questions, our data may be sourced to the other people. We should be having some ethical policies. We can keep some kind of measurement within us, right? Because there is no privacy while using a mobile phone. Even the mobile phone, when started using, there is no privacy at all. Every informations, it is there in the Android and the Google, everything's, every people can accessible, okay, nowadays.
Sir, there
Yes.
is no question, but I may contact you for my
Thank you.
research progress, and you may be the guide or
Okay,
anything
sure,
for
sure.
an external guide for the
Okay, sure, sure. Right, right.
final. Thank you so much, sir. Thank
Thank you.
you. I'll keep in touch with you. Thank you.
The last one, so the last one, that any suggestion or any AI tools for plagiarism checking?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, that is correct. Okay, 1 minute.
And it is
Sir,
very important for the
yeah, I
research
just,
scholars as well. Sometimes university provides some of the tools, but that do not work. I mean, sometime for the scholars especially.
yeah, I got it. I got it. So the problem, we are from central government. I have two access. Turnitin, normal search as well the AI detector. I'm using for my research under AI detector. Similarly, little bit.
Sir, can you please turnip we have, but what is the other one? Can you please
we,
share
we
in
have
the
we have
chat box?
we have drill bit. So every this based on the university, it's based on the university. Drill bit plagiarism software is another software, that people are using it. Even I authentic, but every tools are at a paid basis. These are the things are paid. Suppose you want to check a plagiarisms, particularly a plagiarism, I have list of tools for a plagiarism. One is called zero gpt, GPT-0. What is the advantage of GPT-0? GPT-0. Just you can, suppose you're preparing an article for 15,000, it's maybe something 50,000 character. If you pasted the content, it's showing this how many plagiarisms with the use of AI. So it's showing this whether it's written by human AI, human or in AI. This is the way it's providing, but it's providing only 50,000 character. Suppose you are not satisfied with the AI 0 GPT, we have the other alternative for plagiarism checker. I'm just showing this. This is called AI cheat check, GPT minus, GPT 0, copy AI, Trinco, free AI paraphrasing. That's called phrase. Plenty of tools that, but every tool is having the limitation in the case of free access, right? The case of free access. Okay, sir. Fine. So we can stop. It's now 1:15. Okay, please. Okay.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.